In 2065, cows have 4 eyes, 2 on their face, 2 on their belly. They've doubled in size but float slightly above the ground. Instead of mooing, they chant soft robotic lullabies. Their bodies are covered in mossy fur that self-cleans and glows. Each udder now has vines that grow fruit-flavored milk pods. Their tails are long, feathery arms used to paint messages in air. Some have butterfly wings instead of ears and flicker with sound. They walk sideways and leave glowing hoof prints that never fade. Cows now graze on starlight harvested by their forehead crystals. Their horns spiral upward into soft glass trees. In 2065, cows became magical food factories with wings. Subscribe for more insane futures. Which part of this future blew your mind? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the bell. More worlds are coming. This is Future World, where the future gets weird.